do the work. Now, within the 3 months, of course, we had to do everything possible to make sure the country is ready. We made sure the road works were done, the drainage works were done, lights were fixed, garbage bins are currently being installed, trees are being planted, landscaping is being done. So we are quite right in time.
Uyabanagamba n'abanyamakuru mukasheshekera izuba umugambizi mukuru w'ekitongole ky'ebyenguuto mu ihanga Alan Sempebwa yashoborera ko emirimo yona ey'okwetebekanisiza abagenyi abari kuza kwija mu nkungaanezi yagirekwa.
Regarding the motorable parts of the roads, we are at 100% for most key road sections. Especially now, if you go to Mukwano Road, Press House Road, go to Gaba, Cape Road, we've finished most of the major motorable roadworks. Of course, we still have landscaping to take care of. Lighting is also mostly done. The bins are currently being installed. We're at about probably, I should say 5%. But by the time of the event, we should be close to 70%.
Omushaki wetu yahika mwanya gurukuza kubaho rukunganuru rwa speak result munyonyo kandi hiyashira mwanya ugu yashanga gutegwirwe je oteriho no kugira ngo haharwa abantu abantu bateyongera kugutegura
okubera nazo olukungana olwana aligned movement n'olukungana olwa G77 plus China tubadde n'obukiiko obwenjawulo nga tuyina akakiiko akakola ku bya hoteli ebyensula netubera n'akakiiko ak'ebyobwerinzi netubera n'akakiiko ak'ekisaawe ekyennyonyi netubera n'akakiiko ak'enguudo n'akakiiko ak'entambula obukiiko bonna obwo bukoze omulimu gwabwo kati olwaleero twagala kutegeeza bannayuganda nti Uganda neteefuteefu era enkungaana zetugenda okubeera nazo zigenda kutambula bulungi. Enkungaana zigenda kutandika ng'ennaku z'omwezi 15 ziggwenga ennaku z'omwezi 22.
Muringo nuko gumwe ekishayi ky'ennyonyi ekya Entebbe International Airport twashanga emirimo negenda gye mu meisho oteriho no kugira ngo cyongerwa ha mutindo bayombekaho n'ecyombeko kisya kandi ahacombeko eki abagenyi nho bari kuza kubakirira oteriho no kugira ngo motoka zikuza kubatwara aha hoteli noho ziri kuza kubiha. Vincent Bagire uri umuhandiki mukuru wa Ministry z'enshonga yaheriye ihanga yashoborera ngo ihanga za kutayisa abantu abari kurenga mu 15 kandi abebenzi b'amahanga gari kurenga 30 nibo bari kuza kuba bariho.